All right, so it is March 6th, Wednesday at 12:09 p.m. This is what I have now. And so what is new is, put this down, CIDS notifications. It's after the message, no, after CPU. CIDS notifications means that this phone has joined a network. All right, this phone constantly joins the network, just as the MacBook Pro does. They constantly join a network. However this malware works, it permits, every time I use the phone or the MacBook Pro, it permits them to join a network. So right now, this is what I show. No network. Wi-Fi is off. Actually, let me turn airplane mode on and go out of here, turn it back on, get rid of CIDS. No, it means the connection is still there. So regardless of airplane mode, regardless of airplane mode on or off, CIDS will still be there. There's always a network connection. Now, one other thing is here, go to gallery, and right here, so this is earlier today, this is a few minutes ago, screenshot taken 0306, just a few moments ago, where in the menu bar there is no DuRecorder icon and no CIDS icon in the menu bar at the top. That's 11:56 a.m. It's 12:07 p.m. and there's the DuRecorder icon in the menu bar to the right. And then that's when I did some recording. So there is no CIDS icon in the menu bar. It didn't turn on because the DuRecorder was a live connection. And that's in the menu bar. And right here, the screenshot was taken at 12:09, and you can see in the menu bar to the left is a little 1, 2, 3, the fourth from the left is a CIDS icon. It looks like a foreign object with dots at the top and eyes. That means that my phone has joined a network. All right, that is how stalker have access to everything I do. It's either the DuRecorder, because I often record, or if not, it turns on by itself via the that icon there, the CIDS icon. So I'm going to go out here from my screenshot, and right now what you see is, oh, there was something else I wanted to show in gallery. There, right here. So at the bottom here, this icon is cast. Okay, the icon is cast, but stalker has changed it so that it is now DuRecorder right here at the very bottom. At the bottom of the screen, not the DuRecorder, it says right here, right there, DuRecorder. That should be cast. Okay, now I'm touching it. It says DuRecorder. That should be cast. See there, it's a live connection. Now if I tap it, then the screen will not be recorded. He doesn't like being disconnected. Then he stops the screen from recording. So I'm going to tap it for done, and I am going to there's CIDS right there in notification. Anyways, I'm going to stop the recording. As always, I go stop and stop, and